Oh yeah. Oh wait, crap! There's treasure down here. Do not jump. Hey you. Okay, you can go back.
Money.
Here's money. Well, I can't, like... Okay.
You wanna do this one?
Do you... I mean, I really don't care. There's another C thing up ahead. So, if you...
Let's just do this one.
You wanna do it? Do we have a car for it?
It's air.
Grass.
Oh.
Do we have the, Oh, crap. 1 second, do we have the... I don't think we do.
We don't have it.
We don't. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Hiya! Nice. Boom. Got it. Okay. Haha! These guys are going crazy. Oh, you're in beast form. Wait. What's over? Wait, let's see what's... Yeah, down. Ooh, there's money down here. And there's a sea star up there, so I'm gonna get ready for the, dive bomber. I mean, the sea shadow. Hello!
Skylander approaches.
Yes, we do approach.
I'd shake your hand, but I'm afraid we're drowning.
Oh, so we have to save the guys. Okay.
You must have a sea.
We know, Eon. You know, that's the only thing I don't miss about Eon.
Sea shadow.
Yeah. Angel, I'll let you drive that, because you're a boss at the sea thing. Yesterday, I drove the sea thing, and I was like, I don't know what to do.
It was funny.
Just, I don't know exactly what we're doing. Oh, we have to get these guys. Okay, we're gonna have to go through here. Do you know where we're going? Or no? Between the watermelons up here.
I wanna try something.
Oh, wow! Oh no, there's a guy there. Come here! Come here, buddy!
Rescued by the Skylander. I'm like super rare.
Sure, okay, there's one over there, so yeah, you can jump over these rocks if you want. Nice. See, I would not have known to do that. Oh, hey, Drew! You just left one behind. Nice, okay, wait, let's see if there's anyone over here, yeah. Alright, no, there's no one, never mind, never mind.
They're earbuds.
I got him. Okay. So, don't go through there, there's some more over here. Like that. Mainly that I was talking about, but... Oh, that's for the Sunrunner. Cool. Got you, bro. Got you. Okay. There's one more... Twiddle pillar, or... Oh. There's something over here, yeah. Ah! Got him. I'm getting them. Okay, that's fine. Totally fine. Okay, just go into the door. That's the only place we got left. Yeah, you can just run through this one, yeah. Nice, okay, and then you can go through this thing. Oh, okay. Up. Angel. You good, bro?
The currents are really strong.
I can just assume that, yeah. Oh, there's one left. Right here. Sir! There we go. We did it! Hopefully we don't have to drive back with them. We did it. Okay, I was about to say, I'm like, wait, what? Oh, I think we have to drive back with them. Okay. Oh, there we go, okay. So just drive back right there. There you go. There you go, friends!
Big a pain in my butt.
Aw, a little baby. Yeah! Cool. And that means we're rank 12! Yeah, baby! Rank up. So, Andrew, what do we want to choose? Undead or life? What do we have more of? Life, right? We don't have a single undead, do we? Okay, life it is. Oh yeah, we have 2 lives and no one dead. There we go. So which way do we go? What is this? Where does this lead? Oh, it gives us a present and a Skystone Smash, bruh. I call
dibs on Skystones.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I called it a present, you get Skystones. We got a tiara. I wanna wear it. No, just kidding. Okay, Andrew. You get the Skystones Smash.
I may or may not have lost my family someplace. Good thing I've collected all these sky stones.
What?
You
That's like me saying, I may or may not have lost my family, but good thing I have all these Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Yeah, seriously.
Wanna?
Wanna?
No, you're a heartless person. Yeah, sure.
Just hit play. You don't have to go to deck. That's fine.
Your turn.
It's your turn, Andrew. Oh, dude, do 4, 6. Do the guy that has 4 and 6. Yeah. Yeah, because he gets a boost. Since you're magic and he's magic, he gets a health boost. And then also do the guy, you want to do 4, 4? You got 4, 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna do 4-4.
Oh, wow. And you're still standing, though.
Your turn.
Get wrecked, nerds.
Captain Bristlestash.
I'm moving!
Nice, okay. You've won. You've won.
Scrap Shooter.
And you're still standing? Wait, see what Sea Shatter does. Like, see what his ability is. Because that could mean... Wait. Discard 1 hand and redraw Skystone.
Discard your hand and redraw 1 Skystone.
No, wait. Go with Small Fry. 4, 4. Yeah.
Small Fry.
You're good. And all of them gain 1 attack this time. I'm actually glad I added Small Fry. He could help in a pickle. We did it! Yeah! Okay, we're good. Okay, so what Skystone did we earn? Return a random enemy Skystone to its owner. Oh, that's good. So, like, if there's a... Oh, a
This
random.
is a total VIP section, and VIP you are not.
I feel like we just add everything because they either have good stats or a funny statement, and that had both, kind of.
There's either good stats or good ability.
Okay. Come at me, fool! There's one more guy over. Not there.
Get right, nerd!
Over here. And over here. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh crap. Yeah, you're gonna have to
I
go
got
there.
it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, cool. I'll just bounce around. Okay, I got it. I'll wait until you land. There we go. What do we get? Oh, another hat. Looks like Maleficent. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, let's continue onward. Finally continuing with the story. Oh, and here's a car, Andrew, dude. You better do this in like 3 minutes. I hate her, right? Like,
Toxic Toshi.
ha, Tushy!
Go on Beast!
Ah! Crap. Your way. Oh, dude, if they attack me, and I'm in this stance, I can release it! Got it. Okay. Got him. Okay. This is kind of fun just fighting bugs, like... This is for all the ants in the world. Okay. We good?
You must have a land vehicle to enter this.
Ah, hot streak. Okay, Andrew. We're at 9.5 minutes. If you speed drive like you always do, we can finish on time.
I'm just gonna go super slow now.
Oh, come on, man. Don't be that guy.
I will be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Now I'll just leave without you.
Whoa, okay. And we're off. I got it. I got the sky stones. I mean, the gear bits, the things. Oh, dude, yeah, run into that. Come here! Ah, screw you.
Let me hold you.
Oh, you're so close to it! I got the enemies. Don't worry about them. Ah, no, Andrew! Oh! Oh, you got it, okay. I'm like, Andrew! What on earth? Okay.
That was fun.
Yeah? We went over a sheep, though. I didn't understand that. So what
Can you tell
exactly...
this whole thing's just one big drug trip?
Yeah, practically. Not too bad. They have some visitors.
Hey, look, it's the welcoming committee. So let's give the welcoming committee a nice welcome, which is ironic.
Yeah, that's their job. Okay. We just have to defeat all these guys. You just have to drive around. Lucky you.
Give them a nice warm welcome, will ya?
Okay.
There we go, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
There we go.
Warm, get it? Fire. Oh, look,
Oh, it's Queen Bee! What's up?
You can call me Queen Bee.
No, we can call her Queen Bee. Oh, wow.
The baby out here, out here, out here. In my wildest fantasy.
Oh, dude, up here. Get the treasure thing. Okay. We did that in 2 minutes. We're good. Okay, Andrew, go. All the gear bits! Look at them! Oh, dude, we can, upgrade Hot Streak right here. Let's upgrade it before we do anything.
Anything to show her up.
Shield,
Yeah.
and then
Weapons.
weapons. Okay, that's fine. Coolios! Okay. See you in the next one. Peace out and stay awesome. We had a great drug trip this episode. See you in the next one. Goodbye.